Good day dear students, I am Amir Fiz Malik and today continuing with paragraph writing, I'll be discussing model paragraph with you people. I'll be telling you what is a topic sentence in a paragraph, what are supporting sentences in a paragraph and what is conclusion. So if you look at this slide, you will find the heading model paragraph. Let's read this paragraph and try to find out the four objects into it. Number one is the main idea, number two is a topic sentence, number three are supporting sentences, and number four is the conclusion. Summer is a wonderful time to spend at West Beach. It is a beach with light colored soft sand. The coastline goes on for a long way and many people enjoy walking along it. Children like to play in the surf and walk along the rocks that are visible at low tide. This is a fun beach for people of all ages. Now, if we go with the solution or the analysis of this model paragraph, number one, we see that I have used three colors in this paragraph. Number one sentence, summer is a wonderful time to spend at West Beach, is in yellow color. The sentence from it is beach with to low tide are in white color. And finally, this is a fun beach sentence is in blue color. In this paragraph, the topic is West Beach. And if we go with the topic sentence, that is summer is a wonderful time to spend at West Beach. If we go with the main idea, that is summer at the West Beach. If we go with supporting sentences, they are all in white, so they start from it is a beach with light colored, and here we reach and then we reach at low tide. These are all supporting sentences that prove that how it is a wonderful beach and how it is good to spend time and how it provides fun to the people. If we go with the conclusion, that is West Beach is a fun place for people of all age groups. Now, I hope that you would have easily understood the three types of paragraph and the main idea we use in the paragraph. But in the previous discussions, I have found that many students are confused between the main idea and the topic sentence. Their students, main idea is an idea and it can be in the form of a phrase like summer at the West Beach. But topic sentence is a complete sentence. Idea can be one word, idea can be a phrase, idea can be a clause. But when we talk about sentence, which is a topic sentence, it is a complete sentence. I can quote another example. The idea is pollution. But when we say that pollution is a global problem, that is a topic sentence. So very easily going through the paragraph structure, we see that we can draw three boxes as I have already quoted. Number one is a topic sentence with main idea, number two is the body with supporting sentences, and number three is the conclusion with the last or the summing up sentence. So topic sentence is in yellow color, the supporting sentences are in white, and conclusion is in the blue color. I hope that you would have easily got this concept. You can read it many times and you can focus on it, and you can with practice find these three very easily. So आज हमने मॉडल पैराग्राफ डिस्कशन की बात की है और आप देख सकते हैं कि पैराग्राफ में मैंने तीन कलर यूज़ किए हैं। पहला टॉपिक सेंटेंस है जिसमें मेन आइडिया होता है, उसे मैंने येलो कलर में लिखा है। फिर सपोर्टिंग सेंटेंसेस को मैंने वाइट कलर में लिखा है और कंक्लूजन को मैंने ब्लू कलर में लिखा है। इसके अंदर हमने चार चीज़ें इस्तेमाल की हैं। टॉपिक सेंटेंस जिसके अंदर मेन आइडिया है, तो अगर हम टॉपिक देखें तो वो बनता है वेस्ट बीच। अगर हम टॉपिक सेंटेंस देखें तो वो बनता है समर इज़ ए वंडरफुल टाइम टू स्पेंड एट वेस्ट बीच। अगर हम मेन आइडिया देखें तो वो बनता है समर एट द वेस्ट बीच। और अगर हम सपोर्टिंग सेंटेंसेस देखें तो वो इट इज़ अ बीच विद लाइट कलर से लेकर एट लो टाइड तक जाते हैं, जिसमें मुख्तलिफ मिसालों से हमने ये सेंटेंसेस से बयान करने की कोशिश की है कि किस तरह यहाँ मज़ा आता है, यहाँ बेहतरीन और शानदार वक्त गुजर सकता है। अगर हम कंक्लूजन पर जाएँ तो हमने ये कंक्लूजन निकाला कि वेस्ट बीच इज़ अ फन प्लेस फॉर ऑल एज ग्रुप। तो जितनी भी उम्र के लोग हैं सब के लिए वेस्ट बीच पर जो है वो मज़े की चीज़ें होती हैं। आई होप यू वुड हैव एंजॉयड दिस लेक्चर। रिपीट इट, प्रैक्टिस इट, रीड इट अगेन, and if you have any questions you can find me on YouTube and you can raise your question. Thank you very much.